2 pieces of lemon, garlic, and pure honey. Does your high school's blurry and many a times you barely read, a tiny piece of writing? Let's go try this recipe recommended by my Chinese friends. Let's go to the market. Let's get some recipe and your blurry eyes will be gone in no time. Let's go. I'm on my way to the market here to get the recipe for the blurry eye. Go, that is item 7, go.
Lemon, wow. Maybe 500.
So I'm buying 2 of this lemon for 2 for 500. Wow.
Only 500.
I'm trying to ask for the original honey here so that I'll be able to buy, not the sugar type of honey. Look at the honey I got. This tiny one is for 1,000 naira. Anyway, so the total money I spent amount to 3,500 naira.
1, 2, 3, 5. Guys, I came to market to buy.
So let's go home, guys, so I can show you how to make this recipe for your blurry eye. Let's go. So these are the 3 ingredients that we need: lemon, honey, and garlic. So we need just 2 lemon for this recipe, and this amount of garlic, and a pure honey, original honey. So the first thing that you need to do is to chop the lemon into pieces. Yes, you chop the lemon. So I'm trying to chop the first lemon here. I chop everything into pieces. Then I will have to get a jar. I'm going to put everything inside. So I'm putting everything into this jar. Then I'll have to do the same thing for the second lemon because you are using 2 lemons for this recipe, guys. So let's go. Let's cut the second lemon into pieces. It's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm trying to cut everything. So after you finish cutting all your lemon, then you put everything into this same jar. You can use the same jar as my home or anything that has lid so that you'll be able to cover everything. So the next thing is to get your garlic. Yes, you get your garlic. Get this amount or maybe 3 cloves, depending on how big it is. So you have to chop it into tiny pieces, just like I'm doing right now. Then you put same into that jar. Next, you're gonna pour your honey, original honey, into it. So I bought this small one. I don't think this one will be enough for me. So I poured it the first time. I tried to mix everything up, but it's not enough. I have to get the second one. I pour everything inside. So you have to cover it and let it simmer for 24 hours. That is like a day. Then you can start to be using it, a teaspoonful, in the morning. That's it continuously for days. Your blurry eye will be vanished. This is a Japanese recipe. Comment, like, and share so that you'll be able to see this video on your page.